Okay guys, this is gonna be ringing the alarm in an elevator. So, if I can wait for an elevator to come, and I'm gonna close the door, and then I'm gonna like ring the alarm, but should I actually do it? I don't know if I should because I might get in trouble for it, but as long as like nobody will hear it, maybe like the bell is actually like inside the elevator. So like I'm gonna just gonna press it like really quickly. So, I don't know why this car alarm is going off. So, what battery do I have up? 68. If I can wait for a freaking elevator to come, jeez. These elevators literally just take legitimately forever to come. If there's like people on there, yeah, then I'm not gonna ride it. I have to go all the way there and ride the other elevators. Yeah, that's not gonna be fun. Bungee jump. I wish I can, but no, I can't. I don't have the bungee stuff. I don't have any of those things. We go bungee diving because I'm gonna be ringing the alarm in an elevator. I don't know if the alarm actually sounds like I'm not sure what the alarm is gonna sound like. Please don't be anyone in here, because if there's someone in here, then I'm not gonna ring the alarm. Oh, whoops, wrong button. Gosh, come on. Oh, I think my parents are actually in this elevator. Probably, maybe that's why they're taking legitimately just forever. Buttons not going out. Oh my look. You see the air conditioner's running down there, but I'm not gonna. Oh, sorry. Close the door. Should I press the alarm? Oh god.
21st floor.
Holy crap. The 23rd. The 21st? Oh, you're going down? Ground? Oh, 3. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to press ground. Yeah, I'm gonna get off at 3. I don't know why I pressed ground.
3rd floor.
3rd floor. Whoa. Oh my god, the braking on that.
Going down.
Oh my god, he's running. Wait, oh crap, I missed it. How's that dude going? Go to those elevators. When people go down the hall. Oh, sorry.
Okay, is there a bathroom right here?
I need to go to the main lobby. Oh, excuse me. My heart is racing. My heart is racing. My heart's just going boom, 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 boom. Okay, here we have the main lobby. Oh, that's security. Hi, security. I don't think there's no security in here. There's an elevator right there. Oh, there's elevators here. Awesome. Oh, I'm going down. I wonder what's here. Security cameras in use. And also,
There's 2 swimming pools, there's all kinds of things down there.
oh yeah, and also I like vlogging elevators.
Yeah. And on floor 6, you can play tennis.
Yeah.
Have you been here?
Oh yeah, I did. It's our first time being here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
They show movies, free movies in the movie room.
Yeah.
Do you like to go out to the beach?
Yeah.
That's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, no, I like jump through. Oh, this one came. Okay. Watch out. Okay, good. All right. Oh, okay, that's a lot of people. Ooh, it's hot in here. Ooh. Are you going up?
Anybody else going up?
Anybody else? Okay. Wait, what floor are you going up?
We're going to 12.
12?
Appreciate it.
What, 12?
What number you going to?
7, please.
7.
Thank you.
What number you going to?
23.
Okay. Now, do you do this all day?
Yeah, like sometimes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I mean, you mean like if your mom and dad's here and you just push the button?
Yeah.
I figured you might.
Oh, it's nice. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you.
7. Alright. Alright. These are awesome elevators.
You know they have cameras in here watching you, don't they?
Yeah.
They do.
Wow, that's a high
I
ceiling.
Chantel and them got in here and they was twerking, doing a dirty dance. When they said went to somewhere else,
Yeah.
and they got on to us. How was it?
Bye. Okay. Now I got the elevator by myself. It's awesome. Whoa, it feels like the elevator is like pushing you down to the ground and you can't get up. Oh, the